Hello student, now in this video I am going to teach you two important topic of audio system. First is that graphic equalizer and last is home theater system. Starting with graphic equalizer, it is audio control device consists of amplifiers and filter circuits that used to control the frequency response of audio system by using potentiometer pot. In another word, it is electronic unit made by amplifiers and filter circuit that allows user or operator to see graphically and control individually a number of different frequency band of audio signals. We know that audio bulk frequency range is 20 to 20 kHz, that means lower frequency to the higher frequency. Since this 20 to 20 kHz band may be divided into 5 band, 7 band or 10 band of frequency signals. We know that each frequency band has a individual cutoff frequencies. So this graphic equalizer is a device that is placed between after the mixer output and before the speaker, that means before the power amplifier. As I am showing here, this is the 10 band graphic equalizer. This is the equalizer circuit with this is the mixer output and this is the speaker output. Here this is the graphically diagram and it covers the why we need that graphic equalizer. Need is that a graphic equalizer allows the user or sound operator to see graphically and control the set of audio in the different frequency band. It is used to adjust sound in the different frequency band to reproduce sound in high quality. For example, today's sound system inbuilt graphic equalizer was present to justify or to produce the high quality of signal. For that we use jazz, hip hop, classic graphic equalizers. In another word, the graphic equalizer can be used to adjust or set the gain of the amplifier circuits by selecting or by varying the potentiometer with the upper side to the higher level, with the downside means lower side. This will be the lower side, this will be the higher side. In the exam, 4 marks question may be asked, draw the graphic equalizer circuit. Here in this diagram I am showing the 5 band 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the exam there may be the question asked, draw the 7 band equalizer circuit. For that you have to connect again 2 additional bands. In this circuit, this is the operational amplifier that can be used as amplifier circuit. This is the audio signal input. This is the final output signal and this is the filter circuits. So each filter circuit has individual cutoff frequencies and that cutoff frequency is adjusted by this potentiometer pot, so that each filter circuits have connection with the pot. So by varying this pot we can control the audio frequency range. For example, this is a 5 band graphic equalizer, then we can set this is the lower frequency band, this is also lower frequency band, this is medium frequency band, this is higher frequency band and this is maximum higher frequency band. So in the exam you can draw this type of a graphic equalizer, or if in the question can be asked draw the graphic equalizer, then you can go for with the different IC also. So home theater system, this is the last part of audio system, that is home theater. Definition: it is a entertainment home system, consists of larger television with playback unit, maybe the DVD player, CD player and speaker system. This system can be used to produce theater sound effect, that means surround sound effect, that means Dolby sound effect or digital theater system. As I am showing here, the important component of home theater system, this will be the television unit, this will be the speaker unit, this will be the speaker unit and inbuilt amplifier. This will be the inbuilt amplifier, speaker unit and television receiver. So what are the different types of home theater system components or setup for home system components? What we required? We required a big television unit, that will be the LCD TV or maybe the SD TV with, or maybe the today's generation smart television TV, maybe the DVD player, maybe the CD player, maybe the Blu-ray player. Important is that we required a 5 speaker. In that 5 speaker, 2 Hooper is required for low frequency purpose. Again will be the hi-fi power amplifier and last will be the connecting wires. These are the setup for home theater system. This is the television unit, this will be the amplifiers, this will be the 5 speaker that covers the front side of the speaker, this will be the left speaker, this will be the right corner speaker, this will be the left corner, this will be the right corner speaker. So this speaker system can be used to introduce a Dolby sound or maybe produce the effect of digital theater system, that will be the DTS sound. So this will be the produce of sound effect with the 5 speaker. This will be the sitting arrangement for the people, and this will be this cover the left side speaker, this will cover the right side speaker, this will cover the front right, this will be the cover the front left, this contains the Hooper and this contains the tweeter. Depending upon it covers the whole area and that produce the theater sounds. So we know that the theater sound is reproduce that sound which will be the high quality sound. Such high quality sound and video which can be produced in the home, then such type of system called as a home theater systems. Some extra facilities was available in the today's home theater system, that will be the Bluetooth. So we know that using Bluetooth connections we can play back that information present in the mobile. Some input and output terminal purpose, that will be the HDMI port. Some USB port that can be used for smartphone charging purpose. Wi-Fi unit. There must be the indoor antenna. There must be the smart television contains that internet facilities that can be video and audio stream with live playback can be possible to watch in the homes. So such type of facilities can be available in the today's home theater system. So students, here we complete the unit number 2, all topics. Thank you for watching.